Yo, guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna be watching some of my old videos. Those videos are not that great at all because I didn't have a sinking screen recorder to use, sadly. Yeah, so so that was a new video actually. So yeah, guys, that was a pretty good video actually. So yeah, I was actually using my Windows 10 to do that. But that is not with me right now, so I can't use that. So yeah, let's just get started. So the first video I'm gonna show is I need to go down to all the way back. This video actually didn't have any volume at all. And it was about Minecraft, and I still play Minecraft, just not as much as I will be. Like, I play Roblox now, but I still play some Minecraft. So, yeah, like, in this video, I just saw a, really cool thing. And I wanted to, like, show you guys what I found. So, that was my first video. It was actually, um, not the best, but it was still pretty good. So, yeah, guys. Next video I'm gonna show is all the way up here. I'm not sure. It's just totally out of order. Traps in Minecraft. That was one of them that I did not have volume either. I am not sure. Oh, yeah, I did. Yeah, it was a pretty big deal right there. I'm not sure what happened there, but something happened. Something magical. So next one, I'm gonna show this one because I just wanna see this guy. I just wanna see this.
Guys, what's up? I'm back, and we're gonna do a Pokemon card video. Yeah. This is my ultra rares, so I'll show you. So
Yeah.
this is the front cover of it. Right here, Fennekin and whatever his name is. Yeah. There's this. I hope you like that cover. Oh, I need the lights.
So I'll go ahead and like this.
The lights.
I don't like it, but I just.
Yeah. And then the first card is a Mewtwo EX. Then we have a Raichu break. And then a Mewtwo EX. Full art. Pikachu EX. Gengar EX. Japanese. Scramble Switch Trainer. Mewtwo EX. Charizard EX. Slowbro EX. Zoroark break. Ninetales break. Venusaur EX. Blastoise EX. Forges EX.
Yeah, I totally don't remember any of this.
Charizard EX.
Like, I still have
Luxury
one, but
break,
I gave them away.
Chestnut break. Raichu level X. Brock script full art. Snorlax GX. Mewtwo EX secret rare. Mega Audino. Mega Aerodactyl. Mega Mewtwo EX. And it's X. Mega Venusaur EX full art. Mega Metagross EX, and Mega Glalie EX. Bridget, Trainer Full Art, Morwak Break, Raichu Break, Florges Break, and a, whatever it is, Fistic Energy, Full Art Secret Rare, Latios EX, Random Receiver, Secret Rare, and one of the cards I made up, Mega Chewy EX, you know that mascot that I make? That is actually my dog Chewy. So yeah, hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And make sure to check out all my new videos, and bye.
Yeah, so I guess that was pretty good going right there, guys. I have done so much over the years, guys. So I went from like 4 subscribers to 29. So I just want to thank you guys so much for all the credit you guys did. So yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Also gonna do some of my
To the video, and I did this. I did a.
How are you guys supposed to believe that I did that? But nobody really knows. I'm not sure. Cool. I actually literally did that. That was not fake at all.
100%.
No, literally. I just remember I was like right over here. I just go, just marker flipping, doing all of that. And it was fun. So yeah, guys, that was what was going on there. So yeah, guys, so I'm just gonna show more. Let's show one of my first Roblox videos. My first Roblox video ever. I'm not actually sure. My first Roblox. Yeah, I'm not actually sure what my first Roblox video was. I'm actually not even sure. 3 weeks ago. Yeah, everybody uses those glitches now. So yeah, it was, I'm not sure where that was. Playing with Mist. Yeah, that was crazy. I'm not sure what my first Roblox was. I am literally not sure. I'm pretty sure it was like this. It was like Marvel Battle. No, it wasn't that. I'm pretty sure it was this. The first Roblox video that I made. If not, I'm not sure. Maybe this. I'm not sure. No, that was not the first one. But yeah, I'm gonna pick a random one, and I'm gonna do this one.
Okay, great. Look at my ring.
An assassin. Okay.
Oh, sorry guys. Sorry about that. Sorry I wasn't talking for half the time. But I'm back here, and I'm about to play Zombie Rush, and you can say it's playing. I am playing Okay, I need to earn back my Rush. Okay, so let's go.
So yeah, guys, that's what happened in this video, if you're wondering. And also, if you show more. This one was pretty cool. And I also had some really cool ones. I think they're in my downloads, but they're like totally gone. I totally deleted them. So yeah, totally deleted all of those ones. So yeah, it was when I was like first started playing Roblox. I played MM2, I believe, in that video. So yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, guys, if you guys want another video like this and maybe want me to show a video about checking out your channel, I can do that. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.